What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be unboxing a very rare and discontinued exhaust system for this car. Now I am not sure how good the exhaust is as in damage wise. It was kind of like a hit or miss, and on the photos online it wasn't really that clear, but I decided to give it a shot because it was such a good deal for a discontinued exhaust that is actually from Japan. I got this shipped from overseas. So this is from Japan. I took off all of the labels and stuff, but we're gonna open this and I wanted to record it just in case there's any damages. So it's an unboxing video for a exhaust system for this car. Now I currently have stock exhaust with just two tips on them, or mufflers, and I wanted to do an exhaust system, but I couldn't figure out what I wanted, and I wanted something different, wanted something kind of unique and not what everybody has. And I know this car, a lot of people run either dual or single, and this right here is a single exhaust. So let's crack it open and see what it is. I'm sorry if there is wind noise. I have a fan running. It is getting a lot hotter, so pretty nice packaging. You guys don't know, Japanese people package stuff really well, and their cardboard is a lot thicker than our cardboard here in the States. I've actually got offered to buy this specific exhaust here in the States, but it was really like bad condition. It was cracked, and it wasn't worth the money that the guy was asking, so I didn't buy it. And now a random one popped up on Yahoo Auctions. Packing peanuts, styrofoam, which I can use for LTLParts. And you guys haven't got yourself a hybrid shifter or any of the carbon shifter place, LTLParts.com. I'm assuming this is the canister, the muffler, oops, silencer, resonator, so let's put that, and then mid pipe. Well, I don't know what they call it on this car, but there's a resonator and a resonator. So I think there's two resonators. Let me bring you guys closer. Start with the resonator. Wow. Okay, there's a there is a bit of surface rust, but it is in really good condition. That's looking good. Now, what is this? Another resonator? Dude, I have like so much styrofoam for packing. Alright. There's another one. This does have bit of a scrape, but no cracks. That's good to me. This is scuffed a little bit, and most likely right here. I mean, I hit that part on my cat, so we're saving the what's it called? Saving the muffler for the last part. All right, silencer, which most likely I'm not gonna use. Silencers like these, especially if they're not airtight, they sound so bad. Sounds like it's farting. We saved the best for last. So far, looking pretty good. Flange is good. I'm trying to be careful with this tip because it is titanium. So this is, can you see that? It is a Fields Honda twin cam single exit semi titanium exhaust. So that means the canister alone is titanium, and then the rest is all stainless. Has some plastic on it, but check it out though. That's money right there. So there you guys have it. A Feels single exit semi-titanium exhaust. I want to put it on, but I don't think it came. Let's see. So wait, one. Okay, one, two. Okay, so it came with all the bolts. It just didn't come with new gaskets. It came with old crusty gaskets. But I'm hoping that this isn't too loud. It looks like it's a. It might be a 2.5 or 2.25. So let me grab my tape measure real quick and measure it wherever my tape measure went. I'll have to go get it, but I'm wondering how loud the car's gonna be. I'm keeping my stock Cali converter, so we won't know. But the only issue that I have with installing this is I'm gonna be left with a big ass stock exhaust. If you guys don't know, this car, the exhaust is all one piece. So from the cap back, minus like one of the mufflers can come off, the whole thing is one piece. So it's gonna literally like, I have to put it against this wall. But most likely I'm not gonna keep it. I'll probably put it on offer for like $100, have someone take it. The only thing is, that bugged me is, you guys see that? It has super janky welds from when I got it done in Santa Ana. So it's like a muffler shop on a Sunday, and I just wanted it to be done because I was tired of the stock exhaust. And yep, so we're gonna pull off, and then if anyone wants it, I guess send me a DM on Instagram. Literally installing this is pretty straightforward. Just pull off the stock exhaust, put this on. I don't think I need to make a video. There's a lot of exhaust install videos, and there's nothing special about doing this car. I just don't know when I'm gonna do this, but that's what I got for the car, and we'll see what it looks like on the car when the time comes. It is 1 week later. Hope everyone had a good July 4th weekend. I literally just got back from Vegas, and it was hot. It was like 115 and then 112 and then 110 the whole time I was there. But I'm back, and then today I was busy just catching up on orders, and there's still orders to be shipped out. My shipment is arriving next week, so all of the orders that haven't, or anyone that placed an order that hasn't received a tracking number, they will be shipped out next week. But today is Wednesday, the day after July 4th, so July 5th. And I did get the windshield replaced. So this is a brand new windshield, doesn't have that crack. Doesn't have the banner anymore, so I do need to put a new banner on. And then he just has this taper just so if I do drive the car, it doesn't like shake the window. But he said I could take it off after an hour, so I mean, might as well, right? I got some residue. But yeah, and then I didn't put the cowl or the moldings back in, so I do need to get new moldings from Acura. These clips right here, I need all these clips, and luckily they are only held in by like double-sided tape, which is what Acura uses for these. When I put the moldings on, I'm actually gonna take these off, and then you can reuse these. There's a little like thing right there, so you just lift it up and then slide it, like slide it down or actually pull it up. I'll come off and then put it onto the molding. Then once I have that, I'm gonna lay the molding on top and slowly go down in here, and that's one reason why I don't have the cowl yet. But that should be here hopefully tomorrow, and then we can finally put the molding on. This is the new molding right here. It doesn't come with any of the clips, so if you guys do buy a new roof molding, you can reuse your clips, just be careful. Minus these ones, well, I don't have them with me right now. Yeah, I think he threw them away, but that is, I'm not sure what size that is, but you can tell once you take it out. I have one of them right here. This is 713158, and then this should be 73168. Yeah. Oops. I just took it out just to see if it had any clips on it, but it didn't. I have to reuse the clips. But we do have a new windshield now, which looks good. Not OEM, of course, because OEM costs us a lot, and there's no point to get OEM if it's gonna crack again. Oh, and then I did get the new exhaust on. I actually got rid of the old catbacks, well, the factory with the mufflers on, and then now we do have the whole Feels semi-titanium exhaust on. I'll do a more in-depth review on it with like a GoPro on the trunk and all that. But right now, I'm still like catching up on things. But you guys follow me on Instagram. The exhaust was hanging extremely low, and I did go to a muffler shop, and I made sure that I chose a good muffler shop that actually doesn't do like booger welds, and they raised up the resonate for me because it was scraping like, I didn't scrape it a lot, but it was scraping here and there, and it was sitting super low. But now it's raised up, and the piping is slightly bigger, and my RRC manifold should be coming soon. But this is on the car. And we will have a more in-depth review on that. A lot of people are asking me, how does it sound? What does it sound like? Does it sound better than OEM? It is slightly louder, but I don't really hear as much since it is on the passenger side now. It is a single exit, so I don't hear it more on my end. Yeah, I don't know if I said, but I was sick yesterday, and I'm still getting over my sickness today. I got sick, I think, because of the Vegas heat. But yep, this is just a little catch-up video. So peace out, guys. Don't let us, just keep building and stay tuned. We'll have more videos of this car once I get better. So peace.